Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one excellent formula for whitening. As we have noticed that many times when we are going for any party or any wedding, we don't have time to go to salon and all. At that moment, if you do this thing, you can see the instant result on your face and your face will be glitter. So come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. So for that, here I am using aspirin. You have to get aspirin tablets from the pharmacy. It is not much costly also, it's very less amount. You can purchase this from pharmacy, and you have to crush these tablets how I have did. And then here I am taking 5 tablets. You have to put it in a bowl. And one more important thing, it is when you are using this, if you are having pimple, try to apply Vaseline on that area and then apply this. And this is very good for dry skin also guys. Those who are having normal skin, you can do it this remedy weekly twice, and those who are having dry skin, try to do it weekly once only. And it is good for acne also. It will remove your acne and it will clean your face like anything. And you can see one time, you will see the result in one time itself. You will get the best result. This is very good and best remedy I have tried, and usually I am using this remedy whenever I am going for any parties or any functions. See guys, I have taken here all the 5 tablets also. Now you no need to add in anything. You just need to add this mixture with help of water. I am going to take just little bit of water to make it paste. That's it. No need to add more water also. You don't need to add rose water, anything. You just need to add it with water and leave it as it is for 1 or 2 minutes. Let it be set. See guys, our mixture is ready. You just need to apply this on your face and leave it for minimum 3 to 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. You have to leave this, just minimum 3 to 5 minutes. Don't forget guys, it's very important. Time is very important in this remedy. After that, you should not wash your face. After that, you will get like this face mask sheets easily in the market. So after that, you should not remove that from your face. You should leave it as it is. On that, you have to apply this mask, and then you have to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can see guys, your face will be crystal clear. It's 100% sure. You can see from the first use itself. Here I am having cucumber, grapefruit, pomegranate and green tea. There are a lot of flavors of sheet mask are available in the market. Just try this remedy once and then you will tell me it's 100% excellent remedy. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.